British Columbia is the westernmost province of Canada, situated between the Pacific Ocean and the Rocky Mountains, with an estimated population of 5.1 million as of 2020. It is Canada's third most populous province. The capital of British Columbia is Victoria, the 15th largest metropolitan region in Canada, named for Queen Victoria, who ruled the British Empire during the creation of the original British colonies in Canada. The largest city is Vancouver, the third largest metropolitan area in Canada, the largest in Western Canada, and the second largest in the Pacific Northwest in October 2013. Greater Vancouver had an estimated population of approximately 2.5 million. Since 2017, the province has been governed by the British Columbia New Democratic Party, led by John Horgan, first with a minority government elected in 2017 and subsequently with a majority government elected in 2020. The first British settlement in the area was Fort Victoria, established in 1843, which gave rise to the city of Victoria, at first the capital of the separate colony of Vancouver Island. Subsequently, on the mainland, the colony of British Columbia was founded by Richard Clement Moody and the Royal Engineers Columbia Detachment. In response to the Fraser Canyon Gold Rush, Moody was Chief Commissioner of Lands and Works for the colony and the first Lieutenant Governor of British Columbia. He was handpicked by the Colonial Office in London to transform British Columbia into the British Empire's bulwark in the farthest west, and to found a second England on the shores of the Pacific. Moody selected the site for and founded the original capital of British Columbia, New Westminster, established the Caribou Road in Stanley Park, and designed the first version of the coat of arms of British Columbia. Port Moody is named after him. In 1866, Vancouver Island became part of the colony of British Columbia, and Victoria became the United Colonies capital. In 1871, British Columbia became the sixth province of Canada. Its Latin motto is Splendor Sine Acacia. British Columbia evolved from British possessions that were established in what is now British Columbia by 1871. First Nations, the original inhabitants of the land, have a history of at least 10,000 years in the area. Today there are few treaties, and the question of Aboriginal title, long ignored, has become a legal and political question of frequent debate as a result of recent court actions. Notably, the Silex Nation has established Aboriginal title to a portion of their territory. As a result of the 2014 Supreme Court of Canada decision in Silex Nation v British Columbia, the province's name was chosen by Queen Victoria when the colony of British Columbia, i.e., the mainland, became a British colony in 1858. It refers to the Columbia District, the British name for the territory drained by the Columbia River, in southeastern British Columbia, which was the namesake of the pre-Oregon Treaty Columbia Department of the Hudson's Bay Company. Queen Victoria chose British Columbia to distinguish what was the British sector of the Columbia District from the United States, which became the Oregon Territory on August 8, 1848, as a result of the treaty. Ultimately, the Columbia in the name British Columbia is derived from the name of the Columbia Retriever, an American ship which lent its name to the Columbia River and later the wider region. The Columbia in the name Columbia Retriever came from the name Columbia for the New World or parts thereof, a reference to Christopher Columbus. British Columbia is bordered to the west by the Pacific Ocean and the American state of Alaska, to the north by Yukon and the Northwest Territories, to the east by the province of Alberta, and to the south by the American states of Washington, Idaho, and Montana. The southern border of British Columbia was established by the 1846 Oregon Treaty, although its history is tied with lands as far south as California. British Columbia's land area is 944,735 square kilometers. British Columbia's rugged coastline stretches for more than 27,000 kilometers and includes deep, mountainous fjords and about 6,000 islands, most of which are uninhabited. It is the only province in Canada that borders the Pacific Ocean. British Columbia's capital is Victoria, located at the southeastern tip of Vancouver Island. Only a narrow strip of Vancouver Island, from Campbell River to Victoria, is significantly populated. Much of the western part of Vancouver Island and the rest of the coast is covered by temperate rainforest. The province's most populous city is Vancouver, which is at the confluence of the Fraser River and Georgia Strait. In the mainland's southwest corner, by land area, Abbotsford is the largest city. Vanderhoof is near the geographic center of the province. The coast mountains and the Inside Passage's many inlets provide some of British Columbia's renowned and spectacular scenery, which,